Look at that. So, this is practical because ang price nito nasa 8,200,000 pesos. So, 100 square meters ang lot area and ang floor area ay 107.35. Tignan natin, no? So, you have provisions for 2 cars, sedan. So, kasya dito dalawa. Then, we have sliding from the kitchen. So, this is a single firewall property. Double wall po yan. You have a porch. And wow! Look. Ang sarap, ang saya, ang ganda. Shoutout kay Ma'am Nancy and Sir Sian na bumili po ng property kay Ma'am Rochelle. Shoutout po sa inyo. Na bumili po sa atin ng Tokyo Model House. Right, you have a bedroom over here dito sa baba. So maganda to kasi lahat may bedroom sa baba. So you have space for a cabinet. And a cabinet, of course, you have air conditioning in it. You have a nice bed over here. Look. Diba? So what can you say, guys? Nice, no? And then the living area and the dining, look at that. Try to appreciate the space. Then you have a sliding there. Okay. Alright, you have a stairs here. Plus, you have a bathroom space, which is here. Look, perfect. Then, you have a kitchen and a cabinet. See? 30 minutes yung ating video. More than almost 40 minutes, no? Kasi full house, or at least. This is very raw. Makita niyo yung actual and then the model house. So, from there, makapag-decide kayo kung ano ba gusto niyo. House and lot, or ready for occupancy. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas. Wow! Look! Okay, this is the second floor. So, wherein you have 3 bedrooms and a common bathroom. Nice, oh. See? Wow. Alright. Natin natin. The second room. Yan. Perfect. Nice. Diba? Look. Then you have air conditioning in it. Okay, tingnan natin the second room. The third room, by the way. Spacious. Ganda. Nakikita na naman ako sa salamin. Nakakatawa. Okay. Ganun siya. So, ayan. Wait, ako nagdakuntihan. Hindi ko naburto akong tiyan. Alright, here. Ito yung other side. Other angle. Look at that. Okay. Now, last room. And a common bathroom, which is here. Look. You have a common bathroom. You have a wash area, water closet, and a shower. Okay. Look at. Nice. And this is it. The last bedroom. Imagine 100 square meters, a lot. Floor area 107. So 4 bedrooms, 2 bathroom. Provision for 2 cars. Ayan. Ganyan siya, guys. Diba? Nice, na? Okay, so we're done, no? Dito. And then titingnan natin the actual turnover for the Tokyo model unit. So we have ready for occupancy for Tokyo model house. Pero for me, maganda yung California. Maganda po yung New York. Maganda lahat, no? Lahat ng bahay. Maganda. Depende po sa inyong budget. Depende po sa inyong need kung ilan po kayong titira or ilan ang family, ilan po kayong titira. Alright, try to appreciate the space. Then the layout of the property. Imagine, ang nice, right? Okay, perfect. See, okay. Now, tignan natin the actual turnover. Alright, the actual turnover is dito lang sa side. Dito lang siya sa kabilang side. Okay, so meron mga ongoing shipping right now, may mga anak. Okay. And alright, the actual turnover is nandito po sa kabilang side. Ito yung mustard. So dalawang kulay po ang mapagpipilian ninyo. Kung ano po yung inyo pong gusto na prior sa turnover. Sabihin niyo na lang kung ano po ang inyo pong magiging actual turnover na kulay. So you have parking here. So Akasha, dalawang sasakyan. So you have Ilanay and then you have a door. So total contract price for Tokyo model nasa 8.2 million pesos. Kapag i-turnover, kasama na yung extinguisher. So you have living in a dining area, in a bedroom on the ground floor. Perfect. Look at that. Diba? What can you say? So you have straight counter. Again, you have 2 meters setback outside wherein pwedeng develop later on. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So you have Elanay over here. So the same, no? 15% down payment. Payable for 18 months to pay for the house construction. Okay, over here you have a bedroom. Look at the bedroom. Ayan. Wow, nice house again. So bisa pag imong sudaan kay bulad, pwede na ni. Diba? What do you think? Alright, diba? Okay, then you have a bathroom dito sa baba. Alright, we can do special term if you want. Kapag cash term, may less 10% discount from the total contract price. So 8.2 million less 10%. May discount kayong 8.2 million pesos discount price. Then, ito yung second floor. Imagine, no? Kitang-kita mo yung baba. Wow. And then, this is the taas naman. Okay, high ceilings. Alright. Perfect. Alright, patapos na po tayo. Okay, imagine ganito siya. So, you have 3 bedrooms dito sa taas and 1 bedroom downstairs. Wow. Okay, this is the second room. See? Look. Okay, perfect. Yan siya. And this is the second room. A third room, by the way. The actual turnover is the vinyl. You have a space overhead. Pwedeng malagay ng cabinet, etc. Then, you have a common bathroom space here. Look. A wash area. And then the shower head. Plus the awning window. Then, this is the last room. See? Alright. What can you see, guys? You have a sliding door, a glass window. Ang ganda, oh. Ang linis ng bahay natin. See? What can you say? Pretty, right? So we're done, no? We will proceed downstairs to give you the recap of this full house tour dito po sa Anyana Antel Tanza, Cavite. We are located in Barangay Mulawin in Tanza, Cavite. A 30 minutes drive to Manila via Cavitex. Malapit tayo sa MOA, malapit tayo sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Malapit tayo sa lahat ng major destinations. Open tayo sa financing terms. Now, we will do the recap. I think right here. With a total area of 100 square meters, it's a single firewall property, 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, provisions for 2-car garage. Selling in the market for 8.2 million pesos. Again, open dito sa lahat ng financing, bank, and deferred cash term. 10% discount ang maliles for the spot cash term. Okay. Alright, so medyo mahaba yung tour natin, no? Thank you so much. So this is a full house tour. At least nakita nyo yung real time. The advantage of this is makakapamili kayo ng ating mga model unit. So lahat yan is solo houses, wala tayong mga townhouses. Once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat. Kung mayroon kayong kaibigan, kakilala, kapamilya, kapatid na naghahanap ng property dito sa Philippines as their primary or secondary or capital asset, guys, message us today. So we have lot only and commercial lots for the ordinary property. Thank you so much and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everyone.